Today we are gathering here at Khangkhatwi near Kanduli. We are celebrating this historical peace conference. This was held first during the time of Temen Borloi and Thong Nok Bay, maybe about 500-600 years before. The date we do not know, but it was in their time. This function has to be held or being held every year on February 5 previously. Now it is February 10.
11.
February 10 and 11
Yes.
we are holding here in memory of that peace conference. In that peace conference, we undertook among Khasis and Karbis that in future we will remain as brothers and sisters in a peaceful atmosphere. We will not quarrel, we will not fight among ourselves. That was what we undertook on that day. And it was further stated that if anybody try to instigate a quarrel or a fight between the Khasis and the Karbis, then that man and his family will end ignominiously. Will end means by itself, by God, so to say, by God, the family will be perished, will perish. So this is an important occasion here we are holding. We believe that in future, all the Khasis, many of the Khasis, or all cannot be here, but Khasis and Karbis will meet together here and hold this kind of function. We may also hold seminars and other kind of discussion here. It will be a very good thing. Thank you.